How to plant Norfolk firs at home for ornamental plants for beginners. Cypress is a plant that can grow to a height of about 6 meters, has branches and twigs neatly arranged and covered with leaves that have a blunt needle-like shape. The cypress leaves are about 1 to 1.5 centimeters long, about 1 millimeter thick and green. The higher the fir tree, the branches are not symmetrical. The surface of this pine tree trunk is rough and contains resins that can be utilized in the cosmetics industry. One of the pine trees that often used as an ornamental plant is fir Norfolk. This Norfolk fir has flowers with many stamens that can produce a pointy berries with a diameter of about 10 to 13 centimeters. The shape of a pine tree like a pyramid, so often used as a Christmas tree. Scientific classification of Norfolk firs. Kingdom, Platy. Division, Spermatophyta. Subdivisions, Gymnospermae. Classi, Coipherae or Coiphyrae. Order, Araucariales. Familiar, Araucariaceae. Genus, Araucaria. Species, Araucaria heterophylla. Pine Norfolk loves environmental conditions with intense sunlight, loose soil, good drainage and lowland likes. This pine tree is resistant to wind. Propagation of Norfolk fir can be done by grafting stems and through pine seeds. Here's how to plant Norfolk firs at home for the beginning ornamental plants. More. 1. Terms: grow and treat. This pine plant can grow well when it gets sunlight or indirect light. This plant requires environmental tribes during the day about 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 72 degrees Fahrenheit, at night 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. However, tolerant to temperature of 45 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Norfolk firs grow when the planting medium is a mixture of soil, manure or compost, and sand. Planting media as much as 4.5 kilograms should be added. 1.5 teaspoons superphosphate 20%, 1 tablespoon lime and 2 teaspoons of fertilizer 5 to 10 to 5. And make sure the planting medium is maintained moisture. For fertilization can be done every 1 to 3 months. While the newly purchased plants, fertilization can be done after 4 to 6 months. Reprocessing can be done after the plant grows thick, the roots fill the pot and out. In the period of 3 to 4 years, the plants have to be replaced pots and also planting medium more in accordance with the development of plants. 2. How to plant Norfolk firs. This Norfolk fir tree can be propagated through seeds and also cuttings. Here's how to suck Norfolk fir. The part that dehiscicas seedling cuttings are the top of the stem. Make sure the plant to be pseudec has a branch at least 6 levels. While the tip of the plant in pieces on the first or second stem segment along the 20 to 30 centimeters. After that, rub the stem with root stimulants. Grow roots. After that, the seedlings of cuttings can be directly planted in the seedling medium, humus Adam or others. After a while, usually the former pieces will grow 2 to 3 new shoots. If the shoot length has reached 20 to 30 centimeters, the shoots can be used as cuttings. Use planting media in the form of a mixture of humus soil and a little chaff. After the age of 3 to 4 months, the root of the cuttings will appear and can be transferred to the nursery pot after 1 to 2 months. 3. How to take care of the Norfolk fir tree. Treatments that need to be done on this pine plant, that is watering and fertilizing. Watering can be done regularly except in the rainy season. While fertilization can be done by using manure or chemical fertilizer, with the frequency of administration depends on the duration of the fertilizer is exhausted. Thus we are discussing about how to plant Norfolk firs at home for ornamental plants for beginners. Hopefully the videos we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.